Viral vectors are viruses that have been modified to deliver a genetic payload to a cell, while controlling the immunogenic and pathogenic risks associated with wild-type viruses. A key enabler to the success of any viral vector therapeutic is establishing a robust yet flexible manufacturing platform that can deliver a high-quality product on time and within budget. Delivering the best manufacturing approach to meet the needs of clinical and commercial scale operations is far from straightforward. Central to this is understanding the optimum method for capacity increase, depending on whether the process is an adherent or suspension platform and whether scale up or scale out is the most appropriate. DPS has the experience required to create and execute a viral vector manufacturing strategy, from synchronizing technical, quality and operational considerations based on the current product lifecycle phase, to anticipating future program and regulatory requirements. Do you have a viral vector facility project? Contact us today.